In an age where debt chains the dreamer, where shadows drown the hopeful, a new dawn breaks.
From the depths of despair, a vision takes flight, ignites the light, a revolution born in the forge of his mind, to shatter the shackles enslaving mankind. No more surrender, no more retreat. The ultimate eliminator can't be beat. Rise from the weight of what you owe. His master plan strikes the lethal blow. Community guidance untold, a fortress against the storm. This is freedom's architecture, built by ash for every broken soul.
Plans carved for your hands, a roadmap through unforgiving lands, knowledge to wield like steel, webinars, workshops, truths revealed. He hands us the keys, now watch empires grow. Be the free, no warrior fights alone. Stand shoulder to shoulder, claim the unknown. Says light the way, their wisdom the compass night and day. Too sharp and to shine, trek triumphs ascend, line by line. In a world where worry steals tomorrow's sun, this is the reckoning, where banks and dread are undone. Feel the hope coursing through your veins. Hear the chain links crashing in the rain. The revolution's knocking. Will you answer? Quiet earthy wishes, stay trend. The future does.